Before you can enter or analyze anything in Hercule, you need to describe your process. This is the foundational step, and it's more straightforward than it might sound. Hercule structures your process according to the ISA S88 standard. Your manufacturing procedure is broken down into unit procedures, then operations, phases, and the individual measures recorded during manufacturing. This hierarchy is the backbone of everything. CPV analyzes, dataset construction, process visualizations all trace back to it. For each measure, you fill in a handful of key fields: the data type numerical, Boolean, or character, the physical unit, and the nature of the measure material, equipment, environment, method, or workforce. Two fields have a particular impact on the analytical modules. Actionable yes or no tells Hercule whether the measure can be directly controlled. Non-actionable measures may become predictive features. Actionable ones may become optimization candidates. And the PA and CQA flags mark your performance attributes and critical quality attributes, giving Hercule the domain knowledge it needs to prioritize correctly. You also specify where the data comes from: manual entry through a Hercule form, or automatic ingestion from a LIMS, ERP, or SCADA system. This single field drives the entire connector and form configuration. Depending on the case, you then set the specification or control limits or target values, and once the description is complete, you submit it for validation. And that's the change with Hercule version 1.4. The entire process description is managed directly in the platform, with draft, validation, and active status tracking across development, qualification, and commercial manufacturing. No spreadsheet, no external tool. The process description is the investment that makes every other Hercule capability possible. And now you own it end-to-end.